Hello, my loves. It's Italia, and I am back for an unboxing of my favorite designer, Louis Vuitton. Spring is officially here, and we did some traveling for our 13th marriage anniversary. So we just got back. And what better way to commemorate 13 years of marriage and a wonderful trip than with a new handbag? So today I'm going to unbox a piece that I am so obsessed with. It's a limited edition Louis Vuitton from the Damierlicious collection that just came out for spring summer 2024. Do you want the unboxing first or the backstory? I'll give you the goods first and then I'll tell you the backstory. So I haven't even unboxed this or had a chance to look at it or inspect it since we got back. So I hope it's even in the box. Otherwise, we're going to be in some trouble. So I'm not really sure what we're going to do. I did pack the bag and the box and everything back in my carry-on luggage. You have to watch my pack with me video to see how I always prepare for shopping, even though I only take carry-on, only the one personal item in the one carry-on luggage. That's it. I'll give you the hack now. This time I did have to utilize my vacuum seal bag. This is the box, and I think it's so cute that they have a fake luggage tag on here, and it says St. Barts. That is so cute. I'm definitely going to keep that. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. It's just so cute. I'm going to have to keep it. This is the box. It's obviously a smaller piece, but the packaging, of course, is as beautiful as ever. I still have my receipt and everything packaged up in here nicely. The sales associate was just the sweetest. She gave us information about the town and everything. So more about that later. Let's get to the unboxing. Oh, how cute. Look at the print on the back of that. I did opt for a smaller bag. You know, right now I'm either obsessed with big floppy slouchy bags or smaller, any kind of bag, slouchy, structured, whatever, but smaller bags, just because they're so much easier to carry around. You may have guessed because this Damierlicious collection is only available in certain bags. The bag that I got is the Pochette Accessoire in the peach pastel color. Isn't it so cute? This is so adorable, and it's not like the traditional pochette accessoire, which is, if you know me, you know I love a refreshing kind of unique spin on a lot of the classic items. Like, that's just kind of what I gravitate towards, and anything that speaks to me I'm gonna get. The color itself was what caught my eye, just the peach and pink colors. I really am not an orange fan, but I just love this particular shade of orange that's in here. And the fact that it's the large damier, something different, something fresh and new, and the spring colors, it's just absolutely a dream. So let me give you some of the details because, like I said, it is different from the traditional pochette accessoire. It's a modern take on the actual bag itself and the color. Let me put the packaging up for now. Beautifully packaged as always. For functionality and size, the pochette accessoire is the absolute dream. Let me get up here close so you can see what I'm talking about. The shoulder strap is actually a thicker version of the chain link. It's usually a thinner, smaller chain, and I think that that was a play on the actual print itself because it is the enlarged damier print with the large Louis Vuitton Paris writing here. It still has the classic lining in the vachetta leather, and the same with the little tab here that has the branding, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Of course, you can unhook these. So if you need to just throw it in a bigger bag as like a catch-all or something like that, you can take off the straps altogether and then just have the pochette itself, or you can switch out the straps if you have longer straps, shorter straps, whatever kind of strap, thicker strap. But it does also come with this shoulder strap in vachetta leather. Okay, wait, I don't even know how this is supposed to go. Hold on. I didn't even ask this. Oh, okay. This is like the traditional pouch where it's got basically just the loop-de-loo here. There we go. Where it hits is just the absolute cutest. Oh, like even with the shirt that I have on now, it's just like a perfect match to so many spring colors and even fall colors because of that orange. It's like a pumpkin orange. It's actually really pretty. And then this cute little thing here, I don't know if I'm supposed to actually connect the strap to it, but I think that would be cute to hang some kind of little key pouch or key charm and just have it like dangling from there. I think that's so cute. But again, I'm not really sure. This piece caught my eye as soon as I walked in, and I did not do any kind of research, due diligence, nothing. I just said, can I see that? And she said, of course. Do you want to try it on? And I said, of course. And then I said, you know, I will go ahead and take this. So she put it to the side because it was the only one. Like I always say, they always say that. I'm not sure if it's real or not, but it was the only one. So she put it to the side and let me kind of look around. In the St. Barts store, there was not much inventory, especially on the floor. They kept most things in the back. So she had me look on a catalog of things and see if there was anything that I wanted to try on. She brought out a few other things. This was the only one that I really wanted. Let me show you inside, which again is very different from the traditional pochette accessoire. Inside, there is a little pouch with the damier print in the normal size, but still the pastel color. That's just so cute. And it's this beautiful yellow. It's like a springtime yellow. I think it's coming off more neon on camera, but it's like an Easter pastel yellow. Then inside the pouch, it's just one large pocket here, but it does zip so that you can keep everything safe. I know many times when I have little bags, I'm always worried about stuff falling out just because I'm trying to cram things together. And so with this, I won't be nervous if my wallet is actually zipped up in there. I'll feel a lot more comfortable. And then it's got these pockets to the other side, two smaller ones, one larger one, and then the main compartment. And this is just the little card that comes with it. Stick that there. I love a versatile piece, and you know this. So I think it's really cool that you can either use the straps from your other pochette accessoire. I also have the multi-pochette, but it's got, I think it has, oh yeah, it's got black in it. So no, I can't use that. But if you have the longer crossbody strap, you can use that. There's also from Dress Up Your Purse, I bought, oh yeah, it's going to take me a while to get it out, but I bought a thicker kind of guitar strap in the vachetta leather. It doesn't have the Louis Vuitton branding because it's not from them, but it's very functional, and you can do something like that, put thicker straps on, whether they're shorter or longer. But I think this is so cute. I do carry my multi-pochette accessoire like this, where I have the regular leather strap and then I have the other chain strap just dangling because I think it's such a cute little accent on the bag. You can either go light and wear it with just one strap, the chain strap, or just the leather strap, or have it like a little necklace on the bag and wear it with both. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do yet. It probably depends on what jewelry and stuff I'm wearing. I've been mixing metals a lot lately, so having like silver and gold jewelry at the same time, or having different pieces. If I have a belt with silver, I don't care if my jewelry is gold. So I could mix it, or if you are kind of particular about that, I would remove this strap if you want to wear silver jewelry. So there's just, I love a multi-use bag. And I feel like the smaller bags to me are so much more multifunctional because you can use them as catch-alls. You can throw them in bigger bags and take them in and out of stores if you're shopping or doing other errands. So I just absolutely love to have a smaller medium-sized bag that is multifunctional. As you can see, I'm pretty excited about this one. I can't wait to wear it. If you want to see, of course, it fits the phone with plenty of room, and I can put the dimensions on the screen. I'll have to look them up because, again, I knew nothing about this bag until I saw it. If you're not familiar with the Damierlicious collection, it only comes in certain bags. So, of course, the pochette accessoire. It also came with the on-the-go MM. It came in the pochette Matisse. I think it was only the mini pochette Matisse, though, the new one. Oh, and the Alma BB and the Victorine wallet. So it came in those options and in these beautiful pastel colors. In the St. Barts store, they only had the peach color in the mini pochette Matisse and the pochette accessoire. Apparently, this particular collection is only in stores and select stores, and St. Barts was one of them. The essay was explaining pieces from the collection that they did receive, but how everything was sold out except for those last two bags. Now, what I didn't know is that in St. Barts, there is no tax, which I was just thrilled about in general. And so once we came back to the States and we checked our credit card and went through all of our expenses, we saw that there was no tax, but in addition to that, it was actually like $250 cheaper than if I were to have purchased here. So all in all, if you add up the tax and the savings that I actually got from purchasing in St. Barts instead of in the States, I saved like $400 on this bag. Here in the States, I believe the retail is $17.30. I'll put it on the screen. But in St. Barts, it was an even 1,500 euro. So depending on the conversion rate, which at the time, I think it was really close. I think €1 was equal to $1.06 at the time that we were over there. Now, the only thing I will say I'm a little concerned with is that it has this white zipper material here. I know over time when the zipper kind of tarnishes or rusts that it can spill over onto that. So I think I'm just gonna have to be really careful in keeping that clean. With the only Damier Ebene bag that I have, it doesn't have a zipper, it's just an open bag, it's the Artsy. But I have had no discoloration on the canvas itself. And if you look really closely here, hopefully it'll pick up on screen, maybe if I angle it. But in this white area, there is a slight tan. Each one of those lines, like here, is tan going across. That's gonna really help to kind of hide any marks or discoloration that just come with wear and tear of the bag. This is the opposite side. I think I was only showing one side of the bag the whole time. So this is the opposite side, and everything is just in the best condition. I'm just so glad nothing was wrong with it since I have not unboxed it until now. So back to my story. St. Bart's was a dream, and we didn't really know what stores there were. I would suggest doing your research to see what stores are actually there and what you like. I can tell you for sure the stores that we went to some of the fragrance stores. I know they had a Creed, they had Prada, they had Dolce & Gabbana, they had Louis Vuitton, they had Hermes. Of course, there were no Birkins or Kellys in the Hermes store, but they had a few other items. And other than that, I think that was all the major stores, but don't quote me on that. We did not do the research because I didn't know that there was going to be a savings when you shop over there. So had I known, I would have done a lot more damage. So I think I did a great job with finding one piece that spoke to me, that I knew I would use, and turned out to be an amazing price. Once I did the conversion, I actually ended up paying $1,600 for this one. It was a little bit less, but close to $1,600. Which for a collector like myself to have a unique piece, I just love that. And I don't want to wait and hope that I can find something on the resale market. So things like these I do actually buy in store. And then if there's something classic like the Speedy bag that I just got recently, I tend to kind of wait and look for stuff like that on the resale market, or unique pieces from the past that just aren't around anymore. But if I can get my hands on something new, and I saw the print, but I don't know, I just didn't think about it. I haven't been really looking to purchase anything, so I haven't been researching anything. So this is a piece that truly spoke to me. And you know how I love things that tell a story or things that kind of commemorate certain moments in my life. So I'll definitely remember. St. Bart's was amazing. I want to go back so bad, and rarely do we actually want to go back to islands that we've visited because there's so many islands. We want to see so many, but we had an amazing time island hopping in the Caribbean, and I will say that St. Bart's was probably my favorite stop. So there's so many more things that I want to do there, even though there's not much to do there. I just feel like I didn't have enough time. So anyway, although the Damierlicious line launched recently, I think maybe in February, if that. If you're interested in a piece like this, you better shop fast. They're moving pretty quickly. I think people got a little excited about having something different other than the traditional monogram and the traditional damier print. Just the different colors. It's like this one was actually blown up and in a different color palette and multiple colors. So it's just super unique. This is just the perfect little piece to dress up any spring dress or spring outfit, especially for someone like myself who loves like a good monochrome look, but love to showcase either my bag or my shoes or both. I just think that it will still be a fun way to incorporate color into like a nice classic outfit. Not sure how much longer you'll be able to find them directly from the boutique. And lately I've been seeing that new pieces like this, once they hit the resale market, they're actually more expensive, which I really cannot stand, but that's where we are. I'll be doing a recap of all of the islands that we visited in another little travel vlog, so be sure to check that out once I get it up. I'm not sure how long it'll take because we actually have a lot more travel coming up, so just bear with me. But thank you so much in sharing in my excitement for this new piece to my collection. I have to do a recount, but I think this makes number 46. Hold on. 42, 43, 44, 45. Yeah, this makes number 46. It's the one thing that I have, guys. Seriously, it's the one thing that I have. Oh, and I have to be sure to share with you the perfumes that I got while I was over there, because of course, when I found out that there was no tax, I did get some new perfume. Oh, and they are some good ones. So yeah, I think I'll do that video next while I'm trying to put together the travel ones. Or let me know, do you want me to do like a travel one and then the fragrance and then another travel one? Because like I said, I need to do 3 videos to get in all of the places that we went. So let me know how you would like to break this up. Thank you for letting me share my excitement with you. And I hope I will see you soon. Love you, bye. This is for the thumbnail. Try to be cute, try to be cute.